Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day. Today I got a video about this called Cat Kid Comic Club. Chapter 3, 4 Fabulous Flops. Hey guys, it's day 3 of the... Did anybody film Miss Billy last night? I did, us too. I embarrassed it to myself and others. Sweet! Who wants to go first? We do. Monster cheese sandwich. Mama had a little baby. Little baby was very hungry. Give me some food, man. I will make a monster cheese sandwich for you. So she went to the fridge, but Mama grabbed the wrong cheese by accident. Mama cut the cheese. She put it on some bread and grilled it. But then, ow! Hey, little baby, your sandwich can't alive. Not again. Run, little baby, run. Monster cheese sandwich attack. But then, where did he go? Psst. Give me a banana, man. Okay. Oh, there you are. Here, let's be friends. No! Peel, peel, peel. Toss, slip. Clunk. And then, are you okay? Not really. Here, have a banana. Thanks. Munch, munch. Is it too late to be friends? It's never too late for friendship. Except when I'm hungry. Nom, nom, nom. Burp. The end. That was awesome. I thought you were supposed to make a bad comic. Mommy said it could be dumb. Yeah, but it's still awesome. Really? I think you feel that feeling, dude. Aw, man. Did you like it, Daddy? Yes, but the ending was a little violent, don't you think? Yeah, it was totally violent. Okay, who's next? Me. My dog. My dog is big. My dog is awesome. I can have a dog. My dog poops. Big poops. I don't clean it up. But then some bad ninja guys attack. We will kill the world. But then they step on the poop of my dog. Oh no! Now we have to go home. No fair. Because of poops on their shoes is the reason. Boo hoo. My dog saved the world. The end. That was awesome, Pedro. Yeah, good job. Yes, that was very good, Pedro. But the potty hummer wasn't necessary, was it? That was my favorite part. I do not want you kids writing poop jokes. Why? Because there is nothing funny about poo-poo. Did anybody make a comic that is violent or disgusting? We did. Our comic is 100% free of obstacles. Super fail. One day a baby was born. Happy birthday, kid. What will you name him? Super fail. Does that answer your question? Yeah, pretty much. Woo! Fafa. Hey, didn't get hurt. Clunk. And so, Super fail, you must be a hero. Help! Help! Quick, now's your chance. What's the problem, mister? That old lady just stole a toothpick. But the sign says they're free. Read the fine print. She took 2. I shall stop this crime. Hey, old lady, stop stealing. No way. You'll never catch me. Oh, yeah? Well, I'll tie this rope to her car, and I'll tie the other end to the restaurant. Tie. Don't worry, mister. No, she'll never get away. Do. But then, I'm stuck. I can solve this problem. Yeah! Solid snow butter bomb factory. Kaboom! And so, gee, thanks for destroying the earth. But look, I saved a toothpick. Hooray for super fail! Ha 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 ha. I thought you said your comic was an offense. It wasn't. The whole world got destroyed. Billions of people died. Oh yeah. All because of a toothpick? I'm very disturbed by these comics. They're just so awful. I thought they're supposed to be awful. How about you, Poppy? I did, Daddy. It's called The Little Cute Fluffy Cloud of Death. The cute little fluffy cloud of death. Once there was a cute little cloud. She was fluffy and dead. Hi. But the sun was mean to her. Hey, you're creeping me out. Go away. So the cute little fluffy cloud of death cried and cried. The tears watered the dead flowers. And Sky Pop was no thirsty no more. Yeah, Ghost Girl and Skeleton Boy had fun playing in the puddles. Wee! I like this game. Thank you for the nice rain. Let's be friends, okay? Okay. It's fun to be dead, but then, hey, you guys are dead. Nobody likes you guys. Just ignore her and she'll go away. And do you know what happens? Hey, loser. Hey, stupid. Hey, she went away. And the moon and stars came out. The end. Did you like it, Daddy? Poppy, may I speak to you in private? Okay. Is everything okay? Yeah. Are you desperate or anxious? Not really. Is anybody bullying you? What? Then, no. Then why did he make that comic? Oh, because I like skeleton and ghost and... But why was the little cloud dead? I don't know. Lots of people are dead. Hey, I'm back. Guess it's time we're giving out awards. Did I win? Yep, we got the prize for the weirdest comic. Yay! And you guys get the award for craziest comic. Awesome! The award for most violent comic goes to Superfail. And here, Pedro, you win for the grossest comic. Sweet! Let's get started on the squeal. Let's make a comic about poop wars. We got an idea about evil zombies. I'm gonna make a story about a dead airplane. I'll use felt glue and construction paper. I'm going to make Dennis the Toothbrush Dinosaur Lover too. You should probably put in dinosaurs in it this time. And also maybe a plot. Something should happen this time. I'm just saying. I've got it! Murder. Alright, that's enough. The end. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Happy snowy year. Bye. See you next time.